So here's how the process is going to look for students loading your assignment from Canvas. So they're going to go to their Canvas app. If they haven't loaded or looked at your class before, it's very possible it won't show up on their initial dashboard. If so, they should hit this See All button next to courses and find your course and add it to their dashboard. Kind of like when we star it on our computer. So once it's added, assignments should show up over here on the left in your tabs. And I don't know if there's a way to change it, but normally the most recent assignment is at the very bottom. So if you select it, you should see the assignment we just talked about making. Here they can see when the due date is and how they would like you to submit it. I've also added some instructions on mine to show them how to submit it. I have my answer key now loaded in as a PDF, but it is as part of the process of loading it, they're going to select the PDF that you have in there, and then from here is where they can send it to be printed, or if they'd like to send it to Notability, they hit the arrow at the top right, and they can select Notability. Sometimes, I don't know why it happens, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It creates all these weird characters, so if they'd like to rename their item before they load it in, they can also rename it once they're in Notability, but if they would like it to just go there looking nice to begin with, they can. I would strongly suggest to them that they do so they can find it for purposes of doing the assignment as well as turning it in later. They can also select the folder they want it to land in. So if they would have to set these folders up ahead of time before moving it to Notability. But if they already have that, they can select where they would like it to go. They hit import. Then you'll swap over to your Notability app. And they should be able to see that it is loaded. And then from here, they can complete it on Notability and then send it back to you. To send it back to you, they're going to hit the share button again. Canvas doesn't show up as an option, but there is an other apps option at the bottom. So once they hit that, they can hit share note, and then Canvas becomes an option here. So again, to send it back to you, they hit this. They don't see Canvas, but they can hit other apps. They'll select that they want to send it to you as a PDF, and then they can select Canvas from the top. Then it will add it to their files so that when they try to submit from the Canvas app, it shows up as an option in their files. All right, let me know if you have questions on that.